Hello there, welcome to this week's vlog. We managed to get tickets to Disney's Early Morning Magic for Toy Story Land. We booked them last week, I think it was $79 each. So we've got early entry to Toy Story Land. So we've got Slinky Dog Dash, Swirling Saucers and Toy Story Mania. So we're going to go there, see how quiet it is. Hopefully it'll be very quiet, there'll be no queue times and we'll get to ride everything we want to do. So it's only 6:30 in the morning and we're going to head on to Toy Story Land. Have tea, coffee, water, apple juice, orange juice, milk, some cereals, which I think Dan's about to have now. We've also got some fresh yogurts here, fruit salad, and a selection of pastries. And them on top. Oh, and there's cutlery. We looked for cutlery earlier. So we just got our breakfast. You get breakfast included with this. So I have gone for fried chicken with cinnamon donuts, because it's healthy for this time in the morning. And Dan's gone for
smashed avocado toast and egg plate.
The egg looks quite nice actually. So and we've also got a cup of tea and a bottle.
Our first tea of the holiday.
Yeah, and a bottle of ketchup for both of us. And we've got 20 minutes until Toy Story Land opens, so we're going to eat this quickly and head on over. So we've just had our breakfast. Toy Story Land is open in about 2 minutes, although people are already on the attraction, so maybe we should have just come here first. We are nice and full now, so we're going to go ride Toy Story Mania first. Here's a quick look around of Toy Story Land from where we are now. This is by far one of the biggest queues I think I've ever seen, as in like longest to walk to. Is Mr. Potato Head working? Oh, let's have a look. His eyes are going.
I'm saying you'll be playing, yes I am, with Woody, Buzz, Bo Peep, and Rex and Pam. My toy friends, they adore you, so they built a place in for you. Step right up, folks, I tell you, everybody can. Now I'm saying, you'll be playing, yes I am. Listen, pal, I'm saying, you'll be playing, oh what a treat.
Isn't it? It's got a lap bar. Just do this, is that how you pull it?
Yeah, you just need to a little bit.
Yeah. Do you think I could film and hold this at the same time? Here we go.
Hey, partners! Welcome to the practice game! Oh, yeah, who's playing? What goes on? Our command will be proud.
Now you're ready to score some points.
Love it. Dan! Oh, you can't see me. Oh, you're not as best
This month, 4, 5, 6.
Wow. Well then, did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
That was great fun. That was actually quite a good, easy to play as well.
Yeah.
Here we go, back in the station. We're off again, didn't even have to queue. Thank you. See if you can beat 157 now, Dan.
Oh, what?
I've got to beat 150.
I'm tired now.
I'm not going to film this one though, I'm just going to go for it.
Now you get to score points! Woo!
Yes!
I Instagram live during it.
Yeah, okay. Bye! Well, that was incredible. Even Dan said that was a lot different from what you expected. What did you expect? A bit like Buzz Lightyear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a lot of format, wasn't it? And it was segments.
Yeah, there's just a lot of energy, especially in the bonus round where you get to just flick all the darts off it and never ending board. It's built up a lot of energy, but I think we're coming up to the Instagram wall now anyway. Let's have a look. Oh, lollipop sticks. Slinky Dog, we're going to try and get on that next. On about these benches, but they look so cool. Already, there is a 20-minute queue. Penguin bath toy. Not for use in water. We are waiting. We are row 1. Just in case. Oh, there's Rex, 1995. Jesse! Oh my god. I came from outside. Oh, that's so slow. Oh. There it is. It's Toy Story Land. Way. Woo! Woo! Photo time.
Some of the folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do, just me and you, babe.
So that is such a different ride when you're in the front row compared to the back, isn't it? When you're at the back,
Yeah.
it seems a lot faster going down the hills, obviously, but when you're at the front, you
That
kind of...
second hill, yeah.
That's it, you shoot up
So
them,
slow.
and then you have loads of, like, not airtime, but just, it takes ages to seem to go over the top of the hill. Dan was a little bit scared, weren't you?
No, I think I was better this time.
Well, than
Much
the
more
first
confident.
time.
It's when I went over that first corner and I was on that side.
Leaning
so
over
high.
it, yeah. So we're going to try and get on the Alien Swirling Saucers now. Don't know what the queue time's like. I imagine it's quite short. I can't see much of a queue. So we're going to go and jump on this. It's so hot already. It's only 8:10 and I'm sweating already. I think we're about to go. Wait for it. Here we go. Nice and slow.
I expected though.
No, I'm still sweating. Slinky Dog was great because of the wind. You got the sweat kind of disappeared, but no, now I've got to walk again. But that was shorter than I thought it was going to be. Still a lot of fun though. It's going to be our last time on Slinky Dog, but I'm not going to film this one. I'm just going to enjoy it. It's a 15-minute wait time. It might be. If the queue's not bad, we'll go on it again. But it's gone down to 15 minutes now, so might as well. Okay, so this is our third time this morning going on Slinky Dog. It's only a 15-minute queue, but this is literally the queue. And there's the ride there. So it's literally about 5 minutes, if that. The third time already. Hopefully we'll go on it twice more as well. So we managed to get on Slinky Dog 5 times in a row, so that was really good fun. The park has just opened, so it's getting very busy very quickly, so we're going to go and jump in line for Buzz, who is just here. As we have never had a photo with Buzz. Look at the park, it's open now. It's getting busy.
Can't really see what I'm recording. Bill, I'm just recording.
Alright, right here, friends. And then we have one more this way.
Sign the markers are pens. He signs with like sweet.
Who's letting first order? Oh, it's just a video.
Hey, look here.
Who's letting first order? Sympathize is getting in.
Yeah, probably her.
BB-8's wondering if you're here to train to be a pilot.
Yes. We just met Kylo Ren.
What?
We just met Kylo Ren.
I don't know, BB-8. Why?
Build bridges.
He's gonna lure Kylo into false pretenses, thinking they're friends, and then he's gonna slowly get him to come to the light side. I know. It seems like an interesting way to do it, but you know, we've tried everything else, so this might work.
It might work.
Alright. Just, you know, if he questions you where we are, we're on Holiday along the way.
So we just met BB-8, Kylo Ren and Chewbacca, and now we're sitting in an air-conditioned building to watch The Little Mermaid. Is it the Voyage of the Little Mermaid? So I think it's going to start in any second now.
On the streets, the town's rocking out the blackfish. You see the smell and the smell, they know where it's at. I know that blowfish blow.
Unfortunate soul, it's sad, but true. If you want to cross a bridge, my sweet, you've got to pay the toll. Take a gulp and take a breath and go ahead inside this hole. Flotsam jetsam, now I've got her, boys. The boss is on a roll. This poor, unfortunate soul.
happens, you'll be considered a traitor and a target. Over here. Attention. We'll see you again. Advance.
So thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed that. We really enjoyed our morning, especially with the early morning at Toy Story Land. It really helped us get on all the attractions. I know the Slinky Dog's now 85 minutes, which was great. We managed to get on it 4 or 5 times in a row. So again, hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. See you later.